The biggest mistake people make in decision making. You know, most people think they are bad at making decisions, but that's not true. They just keep making this mistake over and over again. If you've ever stuck between two options or spent days overthinking what to do next, this video might finally make it clear. When we struggle with decisions, we usually blame fear. Fear of missing out. Fear of failure. Okay, imagine this. You've got two opportunities. You list all pros and cons. Maybe you talk with your friends. Even maybe flip a coin. And somehow you still feel unsure. Why? Because you are asking the wrong question. The biggest mistake people make in decision making is trying to make the perfect decision instead of a clear one. When you chase perfection, your brain gets stuck in endless what ifs. It tries to predict the future, something it simply can't do. But when you focus on clarity, everything changes. Your mind shifts from control to connection, from what's right to what feels aligned to me right now. So how do you avoid this trap? Here is a super simple practice. Before making any decisions, ask yourself two questions. First, what outcome truly matters to me? And second, what am I really afraid of losing? These two questions brings you out of confusion and into honesty. And clarity always starts with honesty. You don't need the perfect choice. You just need a clear one. Because clarity creates confidence. If this video helped you see decisions differently, share it with someone who's been overthinking lately. And remember, next time you've been stuck between two options, don't ask which one's perfect. Ask which one feels clear. So till next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.